Right guys, today we have been called out to put the parking brake in service mode on this Range Rover SVR Sport. So once you've got the car all paired up to the Icarsoft diagnostic tool, so we'll just reconnect this one again. So that's the car we're selecting. Yep, that's the right one. So at this screen, what we're going to do is press the service tab and then EPB, electronic parking brake function, and then what we're going to do here is this little tab here. So the parking brake pad replacement, release to service position. So what we're going to do at this moment is press that. Once we're done, we're obviously going to exit the maintenance mode application, which I'll show you once we get to that one. For the time being, we're just going to press this, click OK. So we'll need to wait just 30 seconds. That should put the car into service mode. So as you can see there, park brake is in maintenance mode, which means we are all good to go. Because the last thing you want to do is start sort of spreading the caliper bracket while it's not in service mode, because all you're going to do is damage the motor inside. So that's all done. So what we can do now is obviously start working on the vehicle.
So what we're going to do is come out of the service section, ignition on, try to press OK. I know it's not the right voltage, but the brake pad pedal is not depressed. OK. I don't know if you heard that, guys. That's service mode out of it. So it says application complete. All these here, yep. So let it clear all the fault code, so we don't have any pad warning sign on there anymore. Switch ignition off. Okay. And we shall wait. That's us done, guys. Finished. And if we were to turn it on, there we go, nothing on there.